How do you evaluate the effectiveness of a prompt? Answer: evaluating the effectiveness of a prompt is a crucial step in ensuring that the model produces high-quality outputs. There are several ways to do this. One way is to assess the output quality, which involves checking the relevance, coherence, and accuracy of the model's responses. This can be done by comparing the model's outputs to a set of reference outputs or by using automated evaluation metrics such as Blue or Rouge. Another important aspect is consistency, which means checking if the model consistently produces high-quality outputs across different inputs. This can be done by testing the model with a variety of inputs and evaluating its performance on each one. Task-specific metrics are also used to evaluate the effectiveness of a prompt. For example, if the prompt is for translation, a metric such as Blue can be used to measure the model's performance. Similarly, if the prompt is for summarization, a metric such as Rouge can be used. Human evaluation is another important way to evaluate the effectiveness of a prompt. This involves involving human reviewers to provide qualitative feedback on the model's outputs. Human reviewers can assess the relevance, coherence, and accuracy of the model's responses and provide feedback on how well the model performed. Finally, A/B testing can be used to compare different prompts and determine which one yields better performance. This involves creating 2 or more versions of the prompt and testing the model's performance on each one. The version that produces the best results can then be used as a final prompt. Overall, evaluating the effectiveness of a prompt is a multifaceted process that involves assessing output quality, consistency, task-specific metrics, human evaluation, and A/B testing. By using these methods, developers can ensure that their models produce high-quality outputs and improve their performance over time.